Good morning, students. Till now, we have seen how to add, how to subtract, how to do the multiplication of two matrices or three matrices. Now we are going to see elementary transformations. But hope so all of you are solving problems and solve examples, also problems from exercises, because see students, these chapters are very easy and cover it now only, so that when we will see remaining chapters or whole syllabus, so it is going to be difficult for you to see previous chapters, because this syllabus is going to be in this speed only. So you can see now within 15 days we have covered 1.5 chapter. So be careful and do it regularly, especially maths subject. It is very necessary for you to do regular study. Now let us see what is elementary transformation. Elementary transformation. What is first one? Interchange of any two rows or any two columns. Means how to do the transformation, how to interchange of any two rows or any two columns, okay, in matrix. Okay, so let us see what is that. If we interchange the ith row and zth column of a matrix, this transformation is symbolically denoted as Ri, this double arrow Rj, means we are interchanging this Ri and Rj, or you can write like this Rij. Okay, so this interchange of two rows or two columns, we are going to denote two rows, R, that is capital R for row, and I and J are number of rows. Okay, so I and this a double arrow Rj or Rij. The same transformation can be applied to two columns, say Cij. So we can say apply same transformation with columns also. So Cij, so this is denoted as Cij or Cij. So if so let us see example. If A is equal to 5732, then R1 R2 means you have to do this operation. R1 R2 means you have to change rows. R1 to R2 gives. So this will give how it will come. New matrix will be, we are changing R1 to R2, means we are changing first row to second row, and second row will be first row. So we are just interchanging rows. This is, we know that this is first row, yes or no, and this is second row. So we are just interchanging the rows R1 R2. So this 3 2, this second row will be first row in new matrix, and this first row will be second row in new matrix. What if they have asked, C1 C2? Now we have done with rows. Now C1 C2 will be different for this matrix, because this is first column and this is second column. Okay, so we have to interchange the columns. So this second column will be first column, and this is first column will become second column in new matrix. Okay, so this was the example of interchange of two rows and two columns. Okay, so now let us move to the next elementary transformation. What is that? Multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero scalar, means we are going to multiply by to any row or any column by any scalar. If k is a non-zero scalar and the row Ri is to multiplied by a scalar k, then we multiply every element of Ri by the scalar k symbolically. The transformation is denoted by KRI or Ri and k. K is scalar and Ri means R is row and I is that row number. So let us see example. So it will be more clear. Concept will be more clear. So A is equal to, suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 2 5 0 4 1 3, then 4R2. Now be careful students, 4R2, 4 is a scalar, okay. R2 is second row, means we have to do multiplication by 4 to the second row only, okay. So first row will be as it is, there will be no change in first row. Second row, in second row we will multiply by 4. So 4, so in two original matrix, this will be, first row will be as it is. Now second row will be, we have to multiply second row by 4 to the each element of second row. So 4 into 2 will be 8, 4 into 5 will be 20, 4 into 0 will be 0, okay. Now third row as it is, 4 1 3, because what they have asked in question, we just have to multiply by 4 to the second row only. So that's why we have multiplied by 4 to the second row only. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 and 4 0 0, okay. Now next example, B, if B is equal to 2 3 minus 5 1, if B is equal to 2 3 minus 5 1, then 3C2, 3C2 means we have to multiply second column. Now C2, be careful, C2 is second column, we have to multiply second column by 3. So this will be, first column will be as it is, there will be no change. Be careful students, we are for here we are doing column operations, here we were doing row operations. So R2 was second row, here C2 is second column. So first column here 3C2, here first column will be as it is 2 minus 5, and we have to multiply second column by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, okay. So in this way you have to multiply by any scalar to any column or any row, okay. Next, adding the scalar multiple of all the elements of any row or column to corresponding elements of any other new column, any other row or column. So let us see what is that. So first we will see, if k is a non-zero scalar and the k multiples of the elements of Rj and Rj or Cj are to be added to the elements of Ri Cj, means in bracket they are columns, then the transformation is symbolically denoted by Ri plus Krj or Ci plus Kcj, okay. So let us see first example how to do this. If A is equal to 2 5 7 8, then R2 plus 2R1, R2 plus 2R1. Now okay, what we have to do, R2 plus 2R1, okay. So here we have to, what we have to do, we have to add, means students be careful, we are doing this operation on second row. So this you can write like this, R2, we are operating on R2, that is why R2 here, R2 plus 2R1. Now this R2 will be as it is, now 2R1, okay. So we are operating on R2, so our second row is going to change. Okay, so this first row will be as it is 2 5. Now while doing operation on second row, what they are saying, R2 plus 2 R1, R2 first element is 7 plus 2 R1, they are saying 2 R1 means 2, this 2 as it is means, see your students, once again I will explain. So what they have asked, R2 plus 2 R1 is the operation, and here now they have asked operation on R2, so we will write like this, we are operating on R2 and this operation is R2 plus 2 R1. So first row will remain as it is, just whatever change will be there, it will be in second row. Okay, whatever this operation will be there, it will be in second row because we are operating on second row only. So this will be on second row only. So first row will be as it is 2 5. Now we are operating on second row, so R2, this is R2, yes or no, 7 plus this 2 as it is. What is R1? R1 is 2. So 2 into 2. So 7 plus 2 into 2. This first row as it is. 7 plus 4, this will be 2 2s are 4. 7 plus 4 will be 11. Now for this also same, R2, this as it is 8 plus 2 into R1. R1 for this is 5. So 8 plus 10, this will be 18. So 2 5 11 18. Remember students, whenever they have asked like this, R2 plus 2 R1 means we are you have to see what is the first row, okay, and we are operating on that row only. We are not going to change anything in this first row, we just have to change in second row by operating like this. R2 plus 2 R1 means 7 plus 2 into R1 means this element, so 2 into 2, this will be 4, so 7 plus 4 will be 11, and here it is 8 plus 2 as it is, R1 will be 5 here, so 8 plus 10 will be 18. Okay, in this way you have to add the rows and columns we are going to see now. The example of column, B is equal to 3 minus 2 1 4, then C1 minus 2 C2, C1 minus 2 C2 will be C1 minus 2 C2. Now let us see what we have to do. Now they have first, what is first column? Now we are looking for columns. Okay, first column is C1. So do not get confused between columns and rows. See what is asked. Okay, so C1. So now here we have to operate on C1, that is first column. We are going to change only first column. Second column will be as it is. Okay, so here while operating, what we have to do, what is the operation? C1 minus 2 C2. C1, here it is first element is 3 minus 2 into C2 is minus 2. So 3, this minus will be plus, 2 2s are 4, 3 plus 4 will be 7. This second row as it is, so do not change it, Now this 1, now this element 1 minus 2 as it is, C2 here is 2, 1 minus 2 into 4, sorry, this is 4. So 1 minus 8 will be minus 7, and this 4 as it is. Okay, so see carefully what is given, whether it is a row is given or column is given. Okay. Now let us see note, important note. After transformation Ri plus Krj, Rj remains same. So see here, second one, this remains same. We just operate on whatever first element is whatever first whether it is a first row, first column, whatever it is given, we just operate on that only. So whatever first, here it was second row, so only we have changed or we have operated on second row only, we kept first row as it is. So Rj remains same as in the original matrix, same for column also. Second, the elements of a row or multiples of the element of a row cannot be added to the elements of a column or conversely. So the element of a row or multiple of the element of a row cannot be added to the element of column or conversely. We will see this second note while seeing the examples. When any elementary row transformation are applied on both the sides of AB is equal to C, the prefactor A, that is prefactor A, prefactor means this is before A, that is why we are calling it as a prefactor A, changes and B remains unchanged. Same for row transformation. Again we will see this this note in detail while seeing that kind of example. So let us see some examples from exercises. This exercise for science students, that exercise name is not given, so but you can call it as 2.1, and for the commerce students this is 2.5, but not whole 2.5, there are only some examples from it. So apply the given let us see what question is given. Apply the given elementary transformation on each of the following matrices. First, A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 3. What is question? What question is asked? R1 to R2. We just have to change rows. Okay, first row to second row, second row to first. Okay, so here it will be, we are operating here, that's why this symbol I am using. So we have just in this matrix you just have to interchange the rows. Okay, or you can write like this also, R1 2. Okay, this both the symbols are same. So here just this is first row, this is second row, you just have to interchange the rows. So this second row will become first row, minus 1 3, and this first row will become second row. Okay. Now second example, B is equal to 1 minus 1 3 2 5 4. So what is the question? R1 here, that is we are operating on R1 means only first row, R1 minus R2. So see here students, what is given, we this matrix is given and we just have to do the operation on first row only. This second row will remain as it is. Okay. So in B, now while after the operation, this new matrix will be, now second row will be as it is, because here we are operating on first row only. So first we will write second row as it is, 2 5 4, or let us first do the operation. So R1 minus R2, only we are operating on first row. Okay. So 1 R1 minus R2 means 1 minus 2, this is R2 na. So 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, minus, now R1 minus R2 again, minus 1 minus 5, this will become minus 6. Now R1 minus R2 again, 3 minus 4, this will be minus 1, and this second row as it is, we are not going to change second row at all, just we have to do the operation this R1 minus R2 only on first row. Okay, means just 1 minus 2, this will be minus 1, minus 1 minus 5 will be minus 6, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, R1 minus R2 is the operation. Just first row will change, second row will be as it is. And now third example, A is equal to 5413 C1 to C2, means you have to interchange the columns. Now this will be after operation, this first column will become second column and this second column will become first column. Just you have to interchange the columns. Be careful, we are looking for columns. Okay, so for this second column will be first column 4 3, and this first column will be second column 5 1. Okay, now next example, A is equal to 1 2 minus 1 0 1 3, and here you have to do the operation 2C2. Okay, A is given and here you have to do operation 2C2. B is given 1 0 2, this, and you have to do the operation minus 3R1, and you have to find the addition of two new matrices, whatever we will get. So first we will see A is equal to this matrix, and you have to do the operation 2C2. 2C2 means you have to do the multiplication by 2 to the second column only second column is given. So first and this last column will be as it is. So first column will be as it is 1 0. 2C2 means 2 into 2, this is second row na, 2 into 2 will be 4, 2 into 1 will be 2. Okay, now this will be as it is because operation was on only second column. Now we'll see next B, 1 0 2 2 4 5, and what we have to do the operation minus 3 R1. We have to do the multiplication by minus 3 to what, first row, only first row. Okay, so minus 3 into what is first row, 1, this is whole first row. So first element is minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3, minus 3 into this 0 will be, okay, here it should be 0 students, and minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6. Okay, wait, this whole thing is wrong, I have done wrong, so I'll do here. Actually I have by mistake I have taken this matrix, but we have to take this B. So minus 3 into 1 will be minus 3, minus 3 into 0 will be 0, minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6, and this second row will be as it is because they have asked to multiply only first row by minus 3. So second row will be as it is, there will be no change in second row, and what they have asked, find the addition. So you have to do the addition of these two matrix. You can easily do now addition. Here it is wrong, so do the correction. Okay, here it is wrong, by mistake I have taken this only. So you can do easily do addition of these two matrices. How we do that? How we add the two matrix? By adding its corresponding elements. Okay, so students do this correction. Okay, thank you.